back at Delores Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I bake my Tuscan herb chicken. And these are all the ingredients that I prepared. This is just very easy. We have a chicken thighs. It's already rinsed it off. And we have a smashed garlic with the skin. We are also gonna use butter, chicken powder, Tuscan herb seasoning, allspice, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do. So I am going to spray our baking dish first. This is very easy to make if you guys have busy day. This is something so easy. So I am going to put our chicken thighs here. Okay, and then I am going to add some chicken powder. Okay, very easy. Okay, and then smash it. Okay, some black pepper, some salt, I am going to slice some butter. After we mix, I'm going to mix it again after I put some salt and black pepper. Okay, and then I am going to add another dash of the Tuscan herb. Okay, our smashed garlic. Then a slice of butter. Okay, so this is pretty much easy. It's easy. Oh, so the reason why I'm putting the butter on top, because we want them more kind of buttery taste of our chicken. So I'm going to pop in the oven for about 40 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna let you know guys when it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.